Watch City Killer Asteroid fly by our Earth today on its closest approach for centuries, today, February 2nd. A potentially hazardous space rock the size of a football stadium is about to reach its closest point to our planet for more than 100 years, and it won't get this close to us again for centuries more. A potentially hazardous football stadium size asteroid. It will zip safely past our Earth today, February 2nd, and in doing so will reach its closest point to our planet for more than 100 years. It will also be at least several centuries before a space rock ever gets this close to us again. The massive asteroid named 2008 0S or OS7 is around 890 feet across, and it will pass Earth at a distance of about 1.77 million miles, according to NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, JPL. For context, that is more than 7 times farther away than the Moon orbits our Earth. As it passes by Earth, the asteroid will be traveling at a speed of around 41,000 miles an hour, or 66,000 kilometers an hour, according to JPL. To compare this space rock's girth to that of other asteroids, it's around half the size of asteroid Bennu, which NASA visited and took samples of, and at least 70 times smaller than the Vedorov meteor, the largest known space rock to ever hit our Earth. And due to the size and proximity to Earth, the asteroid is classified as potentially hazardous, despite the fact that it will never come close enough to impact our Earth. JPL predictions show if the space rock did ever crash to Earth, it is big enough to wipe out a large city such as New York. However, the object is not hefty enough to be considered a planet-killer asteroid, such as the Vedorov Fort meteor or a space rock that wiped out the dinosaurs 66 million years ago. NASA has identified around 25,000 potentially hazardous asteroids, although a significant percentage of these are not as large as the impending space rock. One of these deadly asteroids is expected to hit Earth every 20,000 years, Live Science previously reported. Asteroid 2008 OS7 has a highly elliptical orbit, meaning that it does not orbit evenly around our Sun, and because of this, the distance between it and Earth varies widely whenever the space rock makes a close approach to our planet. For example, when the asteroid approached us shortly after its discovery in 2008, it was around 55.9 million miles away from Earth, which is more than 30 times farther away than it will be this week, according to JPL. So this week is coming a lot closer to us. Scientists have only directly observed the asteroid fly by Earth twice before, but based on space rock's orbital data, JPL has simulated every close approach the asteroid has made since 1900 and predicted every close approach it will make until the year 2198. At no other point in its nearly 300-year data set is the asteroid expected to be closer to our planet than today, February 2nd of this year. Several other asteroids have made close approaches to or directly hit Earth in the last few weeks. On January 27, an airplane-sized asteroid passed by Earth at a distance of just 220,000 miles, which is slightly closer than the Moon is to our planet. And on January 21st, a child-sized asteroid was discovered by astronomers around 3 hours before it exploded in the atmosphere above Germany. This is by Harry Baker on Live Science. So we see that we've had in the past few days quite a few asteroids coming towards Earth. Let's hope we don't have any more surprises. Please leave your comments and thank you for your support. Kindly support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.